Kung Pao! Simple, healthy, and hot. But before we begin, we have a short message from one of my first sponsors, Hard Mountain Dew. Yo bro, if you're like me, you drink 12 to 18 gallons of Mountain Dew before noon. Easy. By the time I get to work, I'm jacked up. What the hell are you looking at, son? Mountain Dew helps with my metabolism. Rev it up during the daylight hours and cool it down at night. What if I told you there was an alternative? A harder alternative. What? Mountain Dew. Baja Blast. What? Watermelon. Classic Yellow. And Black Cherry. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. 5% alcohol, and I get to keep my job. Do it up. So get in my Seafoam Green Dodge Charger and let's roll, baby. It's so intense. It's like I've been drinking O'Doul's for the past 47 years. Non-alcoholic Mountain Dew? What is the problem? Mountain Dew with alcohol in it is the solution to all my post-work problems of dealing, day in, day out. Do it up. You want to fry the chicken until it's almost burnt, kind of crispy. Those little crispy bits.